Holy moly! Woo! Now this is going to be fun. Today I'm like super excited because we have something interesting in the home. This is Lenovo's all new lock tower pre-built gaming PC. So thing is, lot of people keep looking to build gaming PCs at your home. But problem is, it is not that easy. Maybe because you're like a beginner or like an amateur, you don't have proper knowledge of how to handle or build your PC, or maybe you don't want to take a risk with your brand new components. This is where a pre-built gaming PC comes into the picture. Pre-built gaming PCs are like ready to use out of the box. There is nothing you need to do, basically like gaming laptops, guys. And good thing is they're also DIY upgradable as well in your future, so that benefit is also there. So Lenovo has like recently launched their all new lock tower pre-built gaming PCs in the Indian market, available in like multiple configurations. Different variants are there, and price is also like quite reasonable. They start at only around like 84,990 rupees. For this price point, they're featuring like powerful Intel Core CPUs paired with Nvidia RTX 40 series GPUs from 4060 all the way up to like 4070 Super. Even the RAM and storage is also next gen, guys. Obviously you're getting like DDR5 RAM paired with like PCI NVMe Gen 4 SSD and stuff like that. So I'm like very excited to unbox and see how does this thing actually perform in real world. So we'll be doing a lot of testings like benchmarks, gaming tests at different resolutions, 1440p, 4K, and how does it handle ray tracing, DLSS, all that stuff. So make sure to watch this video till the end. On that note, make sure to like this video and also subscribe to our channel so you can check out all of this content as soon as I post them. And guys, before you get started, I'd like to thank Lenovo and Intel for sponsoring this video. And by the way, all the results and testings that I'll be showcasing in this review, right, they're based on my opinion and feedback and not influenced by Lenovo. So our brand new Lenovo Lock Tower gaming PC came in this sort of packaging. The model we'll be checking out today is 17LRR9, and to be honest, there is nothing much to unbox over here. You just have the Lenovo branding on the front side and some details about the product and basically the variant mentioned on the packaging. As soon as you open it, along with the PC, you're also getting some accessories included, which basically adds in your keyboard and mouse as well. You're getting Lenovo's Calliope series USB wired edition keyboard and mouse included, all black edition. We'll come there and talk about the keyboard and mouse quality as well in a moment. And there you go, boys, finally the PC we've been waiting for, Lenovo's all new Lock Tower gaming PC. Oh wow, this is actually quite compact, right? I mean, look at the size of this thing. So that is pretty much it. These are all the stuff we got in the package. And in case if you're wondering this is all, no, Lenovo along with the gaming PC has also sent their gaming monitor as well. And the monitor, I'm telling you, right, is very special. This is actually a curved gaming monitor and the model is called as G34W. It is basically a 34 inches ultra wide curved gaming monitor with up to 170 Hz refresh rate and 0.5 millisecond response time. It's like a top of the line edition, and using it, right, we will be building like an all Lenovo gaming setup today. Basically a pre-built PC, Lenovo peripherals, and also the monitor. So stay tuned for that. Now what I'll do is I'll give you like a closer look at the gaming PC and first of all talk about the design, build quality, hardware specs and configuration. Ta-ta! There you go. Here's how Lenovo's all new pre-built gaming PC Lock Tower looks like. And initial impressions, I have to mention, guys, this is actually a very compact gaming PC, I would say, and major benefit is space saving. So especially if you're like tight on space on your desk, right, this will easily fit in anywhere. It's like very compact tower structure, right, easily fits in on your floor or even on your desk and gets your job done. And talking about the design, I do have to say Lenovo makes some damn good tech, and it's not just about this product. If you've seen my recent videos, either it be their Lock gaming series, Legion series, or even their brand new 2024 tablets, quite innovative tech and design, guys. In case if you actually missed those videos, right, you will have to go on my channel and watch them. I'll leave links for that in the description box below. And talking about the design, Lenovo's Lock Tower has a beautiful looking design. It has a very sleek and stylish looking finishing and definitely gives you that modern vibe with gaming sort of feel. If you talk about the looks, you're actually getting a two-tone finish. The front panel is covered in a Luna Grey edition while the remaining body is covered in like full black color, guys. So definitely looks quite appealing. On the front panel, right, you're getting a Lenovo metal badge logo on the bottom right corner and the dark mirror finished lock logo at the top side. Not to miss out, this central area you see over here actually features a white LED illuminated light bar that is also like fully customizable using Lenovo Vantage software. You can add like static lighting effects, breathing effects, and all of that. We'll definitely come there and talk about that at a later part in the video. Followed by, you're also getting a white LED backlit illuminated power button and also some quick access IO ports on the front side. You're getting two USB super speed ports, one Type-C port is also there, and a headphone jack jack available. Rest all IO ports are present at the backside, just like on your motherboard and VGA card. If you have a look at the side profiles as well, you're getting some neatly integrated vents as well for air circulation to keep the PC running cool, and some details about the product. That's it, there is nothing much over here. First of all, let me tell you about the hardware on board. Our particular variant features a Intel B760 custom motherboard and powered by Intel's i7-14700K. Pair that with Nvidia's RTX 4060 GPU. Our variant features like a single fan RTX 4060 with up to 8GB GDDR6 memory. Apart from this, there are multiple GPU variants available up to 4070 Super Edition as well. If you have a look at the RAM, you're getting a single RAM stick, 16GB DDR5 clocked at 5600 MHz. You do have an option for dual channel configuration, and the RAM is also upgradable. Simply pop in one more 16GB RAM DDR5 RAM and expand it up to 32GB. Who is stopping you? You can easily do that. You'll definitely see some improvement in creative applications and gaming performance as well. If you ask about the storage, on board you're getting 1TB PCI Gen 4 SSD, and there's one more M.2 slot available, but that is basically for like LAN. Apart from that, you do have an option for HDD as well. So there is one 3.5-inch HDD slot available. So installing a hard disk, you can expand the storage up to extra 2TB. So these are basically the hardware configuration and compatibility. If you ask about the interior components and the quality, now Lenovo has mentioned that they've used like quality components from reliable vendors in the market, and the whole components, the PC has undergone like rigorous testing and compatibility as well, so you don't face any sort of issues while using it in the future. Apart from that, Lenovo is also offering like nationwide 3 years of on-site warranty. One thing if I had to mention is, to make it more appealing, they could have added like heatsink for the RAM section, or maybe like a back plate for the GPU. Would have really appreciated that. If you look at the power supply, you're getting a 500 watt power supply from Huntkey. I've never seen this power supply before, but this is a 80 plus platinum rated power supply. Anyways, what I'll do is I'll quickly set up the PC using the brand new gaming monitor and the whole keyboard and peripherals as well, and I'll show you how the final outcome looks like. There you go boys, our all Lenovo gaming setup 2024, and my god, main highlight keeping the lock tower aside would be that gaming monitor from Lenovo. Model is called as G34W, and as I've told you, this is a 34 inches ultra wide curved gaming monitor, has a resolution of 3440 by 1440 with a really high refresh rate of up to 170 Hz, and also like a super fast 0.5 millisecond response time. Not to miss out, you're also getting AMD FreeSync Premium support as well. I'm telling you, right, this is like a total dream gaming setup for a lot of people out there, because once you start playing games on a curved gaming monitor like this, right, there is no going back. So Lenovo's Lock Tower gaming PCs feature powerful Intel Core CPUs paired with Nvidia's RTX 40 series GPUs available in different variants. The model we have today in the house is powered by Intel's i7-14700F. Now this is a monster CPU guys, 20 cores, 28 threads, max turbo clock of up to 5.4 GHz. So basically these CPUs are based on Intel's performance hybrid architecture, which features two different set of cores on a single die. You're getting something known as P cores and also something known as E cores. P core stands for performance cores and E core stands for efficient cores. And with the help of Intel Thread Director, which is integrated into your operating system, it smartly optimizes which sort of application or workload should be given to optimal cores. And based on that, right, they automatically divide and get your job done much more faster and efficiently. So P cores or performance cores usually take care of all your heavy applications or workloads, maybe like 4K gaming, 3D designing and stuff like that. Whereas E cores take care of all your multi-threaded applications or background related tasks. Maybe for example, you're running something in your Chrome browser and you minimize it, right? It is automatically assigned to E core, or maybe some sort of cloud syncing is happening in the background, right? All these sort of applications or tasks are handled by E cores. So that is how these Intel CPUs work and get your job done much more efficiently. And not to miss out, these Intel Core processors also support next-gen memory capabilities as well, with support for up to 4 PCI 4.0 lanes and 16 PCI 5.0 lanes, and also paired with DDR5 RAM up to 5600 MT per second. They offer like really fast speeds, high bandwidth, and also enhance your overall workflow for creative or productive needs as well. Anyways, moving on, I know you people are quite curious about the real world benchmarks and performance, right? So without wasting any more time, let's quickly get into that. First of all, I've already ran like a couple of benchmarks like Geekbench and also Cinebench. Just have a look at the scores. Keeping that aside, now it's finally time to get into the gaming benchmarks and see what sort of results you can expect from an i7-14700F paired with an RTX 4060 with up to 8 gigs of GDDR6 memory. So basically this sort of configuration can easily handle 1440p level gaming at very high graphic preset with some really good results. And apart from that, you can even do like casual 4K gaming as well. So we'll be playing a couple of AAA title games at different resolutions and graphic settings and check out the performance. First of all, starting off with our all-time favorite Spider-Man Remastered. So right now in this first test, we will be playing this game at 1440p resolution, very high graphic preset. And as you can see in this test, ray tracing and DLSS both are off. I want to show you the raw potential of this hardware, basically what you can expect. Oh wow, are you people looking at the results? Now that is what I'm talking about. This is at 1440p very high graphic preset, and on an average we were actually getting around like 90 to 100 FPS, sometimes even going like triple digit FPS guys. I've already told you, right, 1440p gaming it can easily handle, but what about 4K gaming? So let's quickly switch the resolution from 1440p to 4K, keeping the graphics at high preset, and mind you, ray tracing and DLSS are again off in this particular test. So with these sort of settings, we were getting an average of around 45 to 50 FPS. As I've told you guys, 4K definitely puts a lot of load on the CPU and also GPU, right? So obviously frame rates will drop a bit, but still pretty nice I would say. I mean at 4K, 4060 is able to push out almost like 50 and sometimes 60 FPS in certain scenes. Not bad, right? I mean if you want to do like casual 4K gaming, just mix and match the graphics between medium to high graphics settings and you'll get consistent 60 FPS result. Now let's quickly enable ray tracing and DLSS and see what kind of results we'll get. So ray tracing has been enabled set to high and DLSS also has been set to balance mode. Again mind you, this is at 4K high graphics settings, and on an average we were getting almost like 60 to 65 FPS. Not bad for a 4060, right? Not just Spider-Man, I've also played a couple of other AAA games as well and was getting like nearly similar results. Moving on to the second game, which is Doom Eternal. This is also like one of my favorite FPS games, and we're playing this game right now at 4K ultra graphics preset. And my god, look at that FPS guys. We were getting an average of around 70 to 80 FPS. Buttery smooth gaming experience on the Lenovo Lock Tower. I didn't face any sort of lags or stutters and had a pleasant gaming experience. Mind you, if you actually come down to 1440p resolution, right, you will go above 100 FPS, triple digit experience you can get. Last but not the least, we've also played Control. This is also a very graphic intensive game, and we're playing this game also at 4K resolution. Render resolution has been set to 1440p and graphics preset has been set to high. So with these sort of settings also, we were getting a consistent 55 to 60 FPS on an average. So based on all these, right, Lenovo Lock Tower actually does like really good 1440p gaming and casual 4K 60 FPS gaming, though I've already shown you in the video. So these are the kind of results we were getting over here. Let's also talk about the thermal performance. Now to be honest, initially when I opened up the case and saw that 90mm stock air cooler on the CPU, right, I was a bit skeptical about the CPU temperatures, how the thermal performance would be. But no, after doing a bit of testing and playing some AAA title games at different resolutions, different graphic settings, right, the total outcome was different than what I expected. I mean look at the CPU stats at the top left corner. No matter how long you're playing the game, either it be like 30 minutes, 40 minutes, I've played like different AAA title games, and on an average CPU temperatures were fluctuating only around like 75-76 degrees. Not bad guys. I mean considering the whole compactness and form factor of the PC case, the kind of results were like quite acceptable for 4K gaming is what I can say. And also fan noise is also like very minimum. Even if you have this PC placed right next to you on the desk, right, nothing to worry about. I didn't face much of disturbances. And mind you, we were doing all of these gaming tests with the system profile set to performance profile mode on Lenovo Vantage app. Lenovo Vantage is like an all-in-one hub-and solution that gives you complete access and controls to your gaming PC. You've got plenty of different aspects over here. On the home screen, you can check out some real-time CPU, GPU stats and all of that. Now going to the right side, here you can access your gaming PC's thermal mode settings. Basically your system performance profile mode guys. Like do you want to use it in balanced mode or performance mode depending on the type of application or workload you're doing. Or you can even set it to auto mode as well. Yes, you also have some smart wireless options as well that optimize your Wi-Fi network for faster speeds and a stable connection. Not only that, it even gives you access to lighting control. Remember your gaming PC has like a light bar on the front side, so you can completely control the lighting effects, choose different settings, adjust the brightness and do all of that from this all-in-one hub and solution. So guys, don't forget to try out all these special features on your laptop using Lenovo's Vantage app. One thing I forgot to tell is Lenovo has mentioned that all their gaming PCs or pre-built desktops go through like rigorous compatibility testing, so you don't face any sort of issues while using. And also also the components that they use in their builds are sourced from like good vendors available in the market. Plus all the software that you're getting with these builds are like genuine, guys. So you don't need to worry about anything. Last but not the least, Lenovo is also offering like nationwide standard 3 years of on-site warranty on their products. Well, that is pretty much it. Time to wrap it up. Our video on Lenovo's Lock Tower pre-built gaming PC. I'll leave all the details that you're looking for in the description box below, and pricing too I've already told you at the beginning. Pricing for this pre-built PC starts at around 84,999 rupees and goes up depending on the variant and customization options you go for. You can visit Lenovo.com website to check out their entire range of PCs from IdeaPad, Yoga, Lock series to Legion gaming series as well. And apart from that, Lenovo also offers their customize your PC option exclusively on Lenovo.com website, where you can completely configure the device as per your specs and requirement. Plus, for my subscribers, I have a special discount code as well, using which you can get up to 3,000 rupees discount on your configured custom build on Lenovo.com website. More details in the description box below. So that's it. If you all enjoyed watching this video and got all the information you're looking for, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to our channel for more such interesting videos. And I'll see you all in my next one.